In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a disposable email in Yahoo Mail. If you've ever wanted a quick throwaway address for signups, trials, or newsletters without exposing your main inbox, disposable addresses are a great solution. They let you keep things organized, reduce spam, and shut off an address if it ever gets too noisy. First, open Yahoo Mail and head to Settings. You'll usually find the Settings gear icon in the upper right corner of your inbox. Click it to open the panel. If you see a compact menu, choose the option that opens the full settings area so you can access all mailbox features. Taking a second to confirm you're in the right place now will save you time later. Next, look for the section labeled Mailboxes. This is where Yahoo groups all of your address-related controls, including aliases and linked mailboxes. Go ahead and select Mailboxes to reveal the available options. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry, Yahoo occasionally updates the layout, but the mailboxes section is consistently where address settings live. Now find the area called Disposable Email Addresses and select Add. This is the feature that lets you generate extra addresses tied to your account. With the free version of Yahoo Mail, you can add up to 3 disposable aliases. If you upgrade to Yahoo Mail Plus, you can create up to 500. That larger pool is handy if you want unique addresses for different websites or projects. Remember, the main advantage here is control. You can stop using a disposable address without touching your primary email, which helps keep your main inbox clean and secure. Finally, enter the disposable email address you want to use. Choose something you'll recognize later, maybe a short label that hints at where you plan to use it, like the type of service or website. Keep it simple and easy to type, and avoid personal details so it truly stays disposable. If the name you want is taken, try adding a number or a short word to make it unique. When you're happy with it, confirm or save to create the address. From this point on, you can use that disposable email anywhere you don't want to share your primary address, and messages will route into your Yahoo Mail inbox. That's all there is to it. You went to Settings, opened Mailboxes, added a disposable address, and chose the name that works for you. Use it for signups, trials, and newsletters, and disable or stop using it if it ever becomes a spam magnet. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more controlled inbox.